Hi everyone, Ben here at Volvo Cars New Brunswick, and behind me stands a 2020 XC90 inscription. But what if I told you the best part about this vehicle wasn't its gorgeous design, but its brilliant powertrain? Join me today as I walk you through Volvo's T8 plug-in hybrid electric vehicle. Let's start up front here on the XC90. On this particular inscription model, we have the nice chrome inserts on the grille, and new for 2020, it's actually indented to give it a more pronounced and strong look. Coming over here, we have a full LED headlight system with my personal favorite, the unmistakable Thor's Hammer LED daytime running light. As we round the corner, we're greeted by a 21-inch aluminum alloy wheel exclusively on the inscription. Further down the line, we have this beautiful chrome piece added on the inscription. That elegant chrome trim continues on our door handles and the window trim on the XC90 inscription. On the back of the XC90, the LED taillights outline the eloquent lines of the vehicle and its strong stance. Now, there is lots more to discover inside the XC90 inscription, so join me as I show you around. For a number of years now, Scandinavian has been one of the most popular interior designs, and nobody does it better than Volvo. It's a very clean, simple, and luxurious place to be, with gorgeous wood inlays, Napa leather seats that are heated and cooled, and to top it all off, a beautiful crystal shift knob on the T8 by Orifers in Sweden. The one thing that enables this simple and clean design is the wonderful Sensus infotainment system. All of your vehicle's features, whether it be entertainment or safety, are built into this touchscreen. As I swipe to the right here, you're greeted by the feature page outlining all the vehicle's safety systems. Things like lane keeping aid, cross traffic alert, blind spot information system, road sign information which displays your speed limit in case you missed it, and not listed in the feature page is large animal detection, but standard on all new Volvos. Now, I could spend all day admiring the XC90's interior and exterior beauty, but as I mentioned, the most brilliant part about this is the T8 powertrain. You see, there's a lot of misconception around a plug-in hybrid electric vehicle in general, and I'm here to tell you that Volvo makes it easy and simple for you to enjoy the benefits of a plug-in hybrid. Now, there's 5 different drive modes on a T8, and it's really simple on how to navigate them. When you start your T8, it's going to default to hybrid mode. In this mode, it's going to utilize the petroleum engine with the electric motor for optimum fuel efficiency and comfort. Essentially, you could drive your T8 without ever plugging it in and still enjoy the benefits of driving a hybrid vehicle. Another drive mode on the T8 is pure mode. So when your battery's fully charged, you have over 40 kilometers of purely electric driving. This mode is especially efficient in city and high traffic areas due to regenerative braking. Another drive mode you can enjoy on the T8 is power mode. So in this mode, it's going to use your petroleum engine with your electric motor for a combined 400 horsepower. You won't find a drive mode that thrills you any more than this. Now, don't think for a second that just because this is a plug-in hybrid, you don't have Volvo's legendary all-wheel drive. It's actually an entirely different drive mode in its own. Giving you the option to lock in constant all-wheel drive gives you the confidence to conquer those harsher road conditions. Another unique feature on Volvo's T8 is the ability to save your battery. So let's say you fully charge your T8 at night, but you want to save that battery until you reach city traffic. You can do that. You simply swipe over to your feature page, press hold, and your battery is now locked in and saved for later use. With Volvo's T8, you're going to enjoy very competitive charge times as well. With a 240 volt outlet, you can charge your T8 in as little as 2.5 hours, or even on a standard 110 volt household outlet, it's 6 hours before your T8 is fully charged, meaning you can plug it in at night and it's ready for you in the morning. If you've been considering a plug-in hybrid, I hope this shows you just how simple Volvo's making it. You can enjoy everything Volvo stands for in safety, comfort, and luxury, minimize your carbon footprint at the same time. So don't wait, because the time is right now. So call us at Volvo Cars New Brunswick to book your test drive today. That's 506-457-4500. I'm Ben Gray, Premium Sales Consultant.